Tyrus Manny Beauty is a local skincare brand rooted in self-care and empowerment, helping people explore the powerful connection between skin health and mental well-being.
Founder and CEO Tyrus Manning joins us now to share more. Thank you for coming
Yes.
in. This was something you started because you yourself were having issues with skin
Yes.
as a teenager.
Yeah, so it started as a teenager, but like I said, it was normal because everyone else had acne and stuff like that, so I don't think I noticed it. And then as I became an adult and I started working, it started to really get to me and affect me a lot.
Yeah.
So when did you decide to bring the mental well-being part into this?
Well, in 2019, I actually had a suicide attempt, which didn't fully contribute to my skincare, but it all was in the mix of it. And so my self-esteem was shot. I had very unconfident, low self-esteem. I began to self-loathe. And so once I recovered, I said, you know what, I'm gonna blend the two because this is something that should be.
And you attribute that back to being with the acne?
Yeah, because, you know, like I didn't want to leave the house. My confidence was done. I didn't want to look people in the eye. Like I said, self-loathing will really make you low. And I was so uncomfortable in my skin. And so.
Okay.
Well, your skin looks beautiful right now. I was
Yes,
like,
it's
goodness, you are
glowing.
glowing. So tell us a little bit
you.
about the line, because I'm assuming you're using all the products.
Yeah, so I have 4 products. It's a cleanser, a toner, moisturizer, and an exfoliant.
And you started with one cleanser that you created in your own kitchen, right?
Yeah, so it was a lavender face cleanser, which everyone still asks me about. It's not coming back, I'm sorry. I have one that's a little bit better. And then I also had a honey sugar scrub as well.
Yeah, this was something that your journey to healing started with actually physically healing yourself.
Yeah, yeah. And so me taking, you know, just putting myself out there and saying, you know what, I'm going to heal myself, I'm going to fix my skin, actually helped me to really build myself back up and actually build others up as well.
Okay.
So do people reach out to you now and ask you for advice on healing their own skin?
Yes.
I imagine quite a bit, yeah.
They don't call me Tyrus Manny anymore. They call me TMB or Tyrus Manny Beauty.
Okay.
Because they kind of know me as like the skin person. So.
Yeah, yeah.
Was that daunting at all? Because you hear a lot of skincare, but you mostly think women that venture out into that arena. What made you think, okay, I'm going to do this?
Well, originally it was for me.
Yeah.
So like I didn't think to start a business up until, you know, so like that wasn't my mindset. I was just trying to heal myself. And I was working at a thrift shop at the time, many years ago, almost 7 years ago. And one of my friends, she noticed that my skin was clearing up. And I was like, well, I've been making this stuff myself. And I gave it to her. And then from there, she started to use it and it cleared up for her. And then everyone started to come to me for my job and different people that she knew and that people knew that I worked with. And then I was like, let me start a business with this.
Yeah.
And then that's how it sprouted. Yeah.
And what's your goal long term? What are your hopes?
I hope to be in stores. I am in the silver room right now, but I hope to be in Ulta Beauty or, you know, Sephora. I just want to grow this thing as big as I can, help as many people as I can. I also have a program called A Moment for Mental Health where I aim to provide free therapy and resources, mental health resources to underserved communities. And so just to help as many people as I can.
Tell us about the connection between looking good and feeling good mentally.
When you look good, you're confident. I can look at you in the eye right now. I can talk. You know, like when you wear nice clothes also, you know, you are just upbeat. But when you're not, you self-loathe, which is really bad for your mental health. You say negative things about yourself. I mean, imagine if you have just a simple pimple. You don't want people to see it. You kind of shrink. And so looking good, having clear skin, looking nice, feeling confident all goes together just as much as like not feeling the best, self-loathing, your confidence is low, your self-esteem is low. It all really brings you down.
Well, once you got your skin healed too, what other things were you doing to get your mind healed as well?
Therapy was the big thing.
Was it?
It was the big thing. I prior my therapist, her name is Denise. She actually gave me free therapy after my attempt. And I'm still in therapy. It's still an active thing. I still have days where I'm sad. I still have days where, you know, things just aren't right. I still get pimples, you know, every now and again.
Yeah.
But therapy was the number one thing. My community, my mom, my friends. Talking and sharing my story has really helped me a lot.
That's great.
Listening to other people, their stories. So.
And what are you hoping to do with A Moment for Mental Health? What's the program? How will it work? What are you hoping to do with it?
Yeah, I'm hoping to provide free resources. Like I'm doing a mental health walk on June 1st at the lake. And so that's going to be really nice because one of the things that I do is walking. It helps me clear my mind. And so I'm going to bring a bunch of people together and we're all able to just connect and talk about, you know, what's going on, good things, bad things. but just provide any resources that I can that help people with their mental health, and also free therapy whenever I can.
Yeah, because it's not talked about enough. And for some people, they think that the cost can be insurmountable, so they don't reach out to get help.
Yeah, and there are a lot of different programs like BetterHelp that you can go to, different things around the city. If you're a student, there are free resources, at different universities. I'm a alum of Northeastern Illinois University and also city colleges, and I would also use them. They also help alum too, so if you are struggling and you can't afford it, you can always go to your college. I know that there are some things at the library that you can go to, but I always say just share your story, reach out, let someone know.
Yeah,
That is
great.
amazing.
Yeah.
And thank you for sharing your story with us. For more information, visit TyrusManningBeauty.com or follow him on the social media handles you see there on your screen.